Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Hadian baka election commission kala dep ban penbenai ki tarik tap vote bat ban yo vote hapo ke jilla hinin kesngi ki dukhat ke Seng Congress na ke jilla Assam ke Bobbeeta Sharma u Matthew Anthony na Maharashtra bat u Sanjoy Das kum u General Secretary jong ke Meghalaya PCC kilawan hanong ba shalong menta kesngi ke khat khandai tarik u kala lingkot Hajar pulai banya lumlang bat kilat pathai kubor banya kren halor ka nongrem baka Seng Congress ka Ïeng habakili halor ka jingkam jong u MLA barim jong ka maulai u bala I no kam dangshen ba unrem hakani ka election ka banwan lada unyele na ka Seng Congress namar baki pat ba kim snoten nat shu ya ka Seng Congress ka Bobbeeta kala jubab da ka ba ong ba uba piti saw kumi udi bantip company abha halor ki jingkhen hapo kari shwabo unkin tho Shuk ka Sharma kala ongru baka Seng Congress ka Ïeng na ka Bynta ka Jingsuk ka Jingieid baka Jingieadei bat baki brio ki dibentem bakat chaba ka BJP ka len kawan ra ki jingbam yasung thu jingmun.
With 3 states going to polls recently, you have seen in Delhi, Gujarat and Himachal. Where did the BJP win? They won 1 state. AAP won 1 state, Congress won 1 state. So we are all equal at the national scene as well. It's not that people have rejected us, they have not. So he should have his, datas intact before commenting. And as far as I'm aware, Maulai is a constituency with 90% Christian population, isn't it? And he is from, at the moment, what is the BJP doing? The BJP is attacking the personal beliefs of the people of the country. We have seen the attack on the church here in Meghalaya. It happened in Tura. Tomorrow it happened in Tura. Yesterday, today it may happen in the Khasi Hills. So people have to be aware what BJP stands for and what the Congress stands for. And you have seen Rahul Ji's Bharat Jodo Yatra. You have seen the message that he's giving everywhere of peace, love and harmony among the people. That is what Congress stands for. But wherever BJP goes, they bring disharmony. The government's job is not to create dissent, not to create hatred, but that is what the BJP is doing. That people should be aware.
I would like to add upon what you're saying, because this question comes to us, that Congress is where Congress is like. As if like the question is coming that before 2014 India never existed. The whole of India was there even before 2014 also. This is a marketing story of BJP that Congress is non-existent. If you really look at it, Congress has put the entire country together. Look at this room itself. If we have to put a consensus amongst this many number of people, we have to do it at a pace in which it doesn't bring conflict amongst you. So Congress has understood an India which was so fractionalized. We put a country together. We made it, like this till 2014. Yes, we lost elections, but Argentina lost World Cup and, they fought back after 36 years. And they still remain in the game. So we are here for the people. It's not that, we are only for the power. We give the best. Sometimes, people like it. Sometimes people might not like it. But we will not compromise on our principles, which is basically to unite the people and put the people together. Where there is dissent, there is dissent. We can't kind of take away the dissent with an absolute majority. We have to give space for dissent also. That is why Congress exists. That is what the ethology of Congress is, and Congress is fighting for it. If people like us, who has got offers from BJP, is not moving into BJP because we believe in the fundamental principles of the Congress, which puts the country together, which puts the interests of the country, its people, its regional ethos, everything together. So we need that message to go to the people that Congress is not to be written off. It is a marketing messaging that goes that India is only after 2014. Who brought IAM to Meghalaya? Who brought the NID, National Institute of Design, to Meghalaya? Was it the BJP? It was the Congress.
Who got statehood?
Yeah, who got the statehood.